Dear viewers, welcome to our Australian Citizenship Test Preparation course. Today we'll discuss part 2 of the booklet Our Common Bond, Responsibilities and Privileges of Citizenship. Here we're going to discuss 10 questions today. Question 1. What are the responsibilities of Australian citizens? Answer. Australian citizens must obey the law, vote in federal and state or territory elections and in the referendum, defend Australia if necessary, and serve on a jury while called. Next question. What are some privileges that only Australian citizens have? Answer. Only Australian citizens can vote in elections, apply for an Australian passport, apply for jobs in Australian public service and defence force, and seek election to parliament. Question 3. Why is voting compulsory in Australia? Answer. Voting is compulsory because it ensures that every citizen has a say in choosing the government. It protects Australia's democratic system and makes sure decisions reflect the will of the majority. Question 4. What happens if you do not vote in election without a valid reason? Answer. If you do not vote without a valid reason, you may have to pay a fine. Voting is not just a right but also a legal responsibility. Question 5. Why is jury service an important responsibility for citizens? Answer. Serving on a jury is important because it allows ordinary citizens to help make fair decisions in court cases. This ensures justice is decided by community, not just judges. Question 6. Can permanent residents apply for an Australian passport? Why or why not? Answer is no. Only Australian citizens can apply for Australian passport. This is one of the main privileges of citizenship and gives citizens the right to travel freely in and out of Australia. Question 7. What does being an active citizen mean? Being an active citizen means participating in community life, helping others, respecting the rights of others, and contributing to Australian society. For example, volunteering, voting, or supporting neighbors in need. Question 8. Why must Australian citizens obey the law? Answer. Citizens must obey the law to keep society safe, fair, and orderly. The rule of law applies equally to everyone, and following it is a basic responsibility for all citizens. Question 9. Who can stand for election to the Australian Parliament? Answer. Only Australian citizens can stand for elections. This ensures that lawmakers have full commitment to the country and its people. And the last question. What is the importance of Australian citizenship? Answer. Australian citizenship gives people the opportunity to fully belong to the nation, enjoy rights like voting and passport access, and share responsibilities like jury duty and defending the country. It represents commitment to Australia's values, freedoms, and democracy. That's all for today. See you in the next video.